Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. Welcome to my channel. I say hello to all of my subscribers, new and old, and thank you for rocking with me, liking and subscribing. And if you've been around my channel for any length of time, particularly starting in 2014, you know that it's something that I love to buy every time the collection comes out. And I love playing with them, and you know what stamp collection that is. If you have been rocking with me for a long time, you know I love those J and girls. Yes, those Julie Nutting dolls. And this is the new collection. Boom. As soon as I saw that video that night it came out, we went on some scrapbooking on Zoom and went to Frank Garcia, and all of us ordered them. I got the whole set because I'm, just crazy like that when it comes to the dolls. And so they were supposed to be here on Friday, but you know what's going on with the postal service, so it just came in tonight. Now, I'm going to do this haul in twos because I want to do my Julie Nuttings just by itself because I love my Julie Nuttings. And then I got a new collection from Prima that I want to do separately because I think it's deserving of its own video and separate from that, so I'm gonna do two different videos. But anyway, so this is my collection, and like I said, I got it from Frank Garcia. Fast shipping, first time shopping there, so they gave me a little postcard and says thank you for your order, 15% off your next order. Yay! So we'll be keeping that on. And my lighting is terrible. I don't know, it's late at night. Anyway, so I want to go over them and show you them. Yes. This is Asia. I'm assuming that, well, I don't know if it's Ausha. Looks like an L instead of an I because the S is capitalized. I guess it's AI. But see, the A looks capitalized. Like, the only thing that's lowercase is HA. I'm going to say Asia. But it says Ausha, technically. So I don't know. But I'm going to go with Asia because I've never heard Ausha. But anyway, this is a 5-piece die set. And she comes with the curly hair. And she comes with a dress with the sleeveless off the shoulder like a halter top dress. She does have a bow. She also has a hat. So again, the hat is optional, but you can cut it right there along that line. Stick it on the head. Then you have this little stitching right here, which you can use as just background stamp, border stamp. You can also use this like if you have a kite or a butterfly, like it looks like the trail of a kite or a butterfly, and her legs are crossed. And so it looks like her hands are in her pockets, and she comes with a flower. And so these are the 5 pieces. Next we have Melissa. And Melissa has her dress off her shoulders. And she has a bow on her dress as well. Now all of them come with sentiments, and this one has a border of flowers. Again, you don't have to use this with Julie Nutting dolls. You can use this on any stamp collection, just like that can be used, in any stamp collection. These background stamps. So you're not limited to use these accessory stamps only with the doll. So you have this one right here. Like this could be in your planner. This says hello. This could be a banner for us to cut it out. So that doesn't have to be with your stamp. She's got curly long hair. You have a circle stamp here with a bumblebee, and it says beautiful all around the circle. And then the other sentiment says best friend and says lovely. So you have those sentiment stamps there as well. And that is how Melissa looks. Next we have Amberly, Miss Amberly. So this is a 4-piece set. And Amberly comes with actually like what you call a traditional bingo card, but it spells out the word sweet. And of course, you see these bingo type cards a lot of times used in, like on Valentine's Day cards, just different types of sentiments you can use this on, especially saying sweet. It can be used on a lot of different types of cards. It doesn't have to be just with the doll. Amberly looks more like a child or a preteen to me. Tween. She comes with accessory clothes, so she has a jacket. Again, when you get these clothes can be put on other outfits or other dolls as well. So don't think it only has to go with her. She has a bow in her hair, and her legs are crossed. And her word says hello friend, and there she is. Y'all know I love me some JNs. I'm going to do me another book like I did with the flip through of my art journal book. With my 48 pages, I think it was, of my little scenes with my dolls. So I do another one. This one is Nia. And I'm assuming that's the eye. So that's why I said this has to be an eye. That's why it's got to be Asia. I think she just wrote it that way. Because the eye on that one's capitalized. So this would be Nia. And then another one's like a preteen, or tween, excuse me. Just a Girl and Her Dog, ARF. So again, you have a pet. The pet doesn't have to be used with the child. It could be totally separate. She is, again, more Afrocentric based on her hairstyle. Looks like she had cornrows in the front. Although they need to be a little bit closer, but she's got cornrows in the front. And she's got some flowers. And it just says, again, Just a Girl and Her Dog, ARF. She's got her little boots. So again, this is the first young African American doll that I've seen, like tween size dolls. That was interesting. So that was cool to have that in my collection. And then we have Meg. So now Meg is a 12-piece set. So you got quite a few. No, sorry, and Nia was 7 pieces because you've got those 2 flowers, and you got a headband right here, or scarf. I'm assuming it's a yeah, like a bow on the side of her head, right there. So now this one comes with quite a few words. And then Meg looks like a little gardener. And so that just makes me think about spring, getting ready for spring, yay. But you can use these, again, these sentiments and these stamps do not have to go with this doll. They can be totally separate. You have another bee, so you could always combine this bee with that bee in a layout, you know, or these flowers too. So you've got Meg here. She has on a hat. She's got a little scarf on her head. She's got, you know, just leggings on or whatever. You know, she's outside tending her garden. So you got flowers. You got the words that says garden, grow, sprinkle seeds of kindness wherever you go. And you got another banner that says kindness. That one says seeds and that one says garden. So again, you've got quite a few that you can use if you're into plants and things like that. Carrots as well too. So that is Miss Meg. And then last but not, certainly not least, you know, she's been doing her heads here lately. So this one is Miss B. And as you can see, the theme through this collection is bees. So this is the third one that has a bee on it. Now this one, you know, I love this because I like mixed media. This would be used in mixed media. Does not have to go with this collection only, but that is a mixed media background stamp that I love having those. You have that big bow. It says be kind, so you got your pun on the word bee. You got your flowers. You got a beehive. You got a rose, and you've got your head, Miss B. And you've got the letter bzz, you know, making your sound, and then you got a couple bees. So, and then the bird says imagine. So you can use those in mixed media. So I think this is the 3rd head, maybe, or 4th. Can't remember. Might be the 4th one. I think it's the 4th one. But anyway, that is my haul, and I am loving it. So, you know, this means more time to play in my journal. May take me a while to finish it, but I keep my word and I finish it just like I finished the other one. I did it, but I do it at my pace when I get my inspiration to make my little layouts. But I'm so excited to have these. Yay! So anyway, you know, Prima has them out. You can go to several different places. I went to Frank Garcia, reasonably priced. You can go different places and get them as well online. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.